In bag B1, we have our 8 strips that go in the striped border. Now here it's going to be important how you lay out your strips. And find a pleasing arrangement, how you like the strips to be arranged, and then we're going to stack them. Here I have laid mine out, and the numbers go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Your accent strips are going to go between these. So be sure you have them laid out how you like them with the accent strips. And then we're going to keep these in order. We'll start with H at the bottom. It starts A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And open these up. Right sides up with H at the bottom and going till A at the top. So I'll finish these and we'll come back. We're going to use the Unit B diamond strip piecing template, and we're going to cut 4 stacks of these all across here. Again, I'm going to angle these so it's easier to cut. We're going to cut off this end and keep this stack with the fabrics in order. We're going to be cutting swatches from that. There's one. Two. These always get out of order for me. 3. And 4. Put a clip on each of these. After you clip all these together, we're going to put these back into bag B1.